Probate does take a long time. The general idea from the court system is that it takes about 16 weeks from the date that we submit the application. It can take a month or two to collate all of the information that we need to make the application in the first place. Once the application is submitted, it is sent to either the central registry in Harlow, that's where the simpler cases usually go to, and the case usually takes about 16 weeks to go through that system. Otherwise, if there is no will, then the application goes to the Newcastle registry, which can take up to a year to come back once the application has been submitted. Once the probate is granted, that's when the administration of the estate starts. So at that point, you would have to contact each of the institutions where the deceased held accounts and ask them to pay the money to either yourself or to our firm, depending on which service we are offering you with regards to the probate. So Coles Miller offer two services. The first is a grant-only service, which would mean that we would apply for probate for you, and once the grant is issued, you would then take that and do the administration yourself, so collecting in the monies and distributing the estate as per the will. The other option is full administration service. That would mean that we do everything for you, from applying for the probate all the way through to completing all of the inheritance tax returns, income tax returns, and any other administration after the grant is issued. That would also mean that we would collect all of the money in from any institutions that the deceased held funds, and arrange for any legacies and final distributions to be made to